Hi, I would like to take you through the vendor registration process at Mopani Copper Mines. We've noticed that some vendors are struggling with certain parts of the process, and it is those that I will cover today. The first thing I will show you is how to register for a new account so you can use the system. The second is how to reset your password should you forget it. The third is how to resend your confirmation email provided you did not get it the first time. The fourth is how to correctly upload attachments into the system during the registration process. And lastly, how to ensure you have correctly submitted your registration transaction after filling in all the details. To start the process, click on the register button once on the home page. Next, enter your email and create a password that you will use to log into the system. After that, click the register button. If this account does not exist, at this stage you should get an email with a confirmation link for you to activate your account. Provided you enter an email address that's already taken, you will get a message at the top of the screen telling you that this account is already taken. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link at the bottom of the page and enter your email address in the space provided. Once you click Submit, the system will email you a new password that you can use to log into the application. For those that might have already registered but did not receive the confirmation link, on the login page, there is an option at the bottom to resend email confirmation. Once you click on that resend email confirmation link, you will once again be presented with a text box where you can enter your email address and click resend. This should resend your confirmation email link. In case you do not see the email either to reset the password or to resend the confirmation email in your inbox, please be sure to also check your junk email or your spam email folder. Once you have received your password reset email and have reset your password, you can then proceed to log into the application with your new credentials. Once you have entered your credentials, you can then click on Login to log into the system. Once you are logged into the system, you can then click on the Registration tab. Once you have filled in all your information and are now trying to upload attachments into the system, ensure you are on the Attachments tab on the left here to upload the appropriate attachment, for example, the PACRA certification document. You can select from the drop-down list the document that you're trying to upload, which is the certified PACRA document. Then you can click on Choose a file to browse for an appropriate file on your PC. Once you have found an appropriate file, you can then select that file and click Open. Once you've selected the file and clicked on Open, you can then add to list. In my case, my application has already been submitted, hence the error message I get saying vendor process already completed. So should you need to update your documents and you notice such an error message, please get in touch with the vendor registration office so they can enable you to edit the transaction. After getting in touch with the vendor registration office, when you refresh your page, you will now notice that you're going to have some colors on the left. The icons are not going to be gray anymore. So once you then go back to the attachments tab, select your certified PACRA document, choose the file once more that you're going to upload, and add to list. You'll notice that this time the document updates successfully. Once you have successfully uploaded the document, you notice that the item turns green on the list. So long you have any item with an X in orange, it means you have not successfully uploaded all the documents. So I still have a terms and conditions pending. Which once I upload by adding to list after choosing the file, you see that it also turns green just like the documents before. At this stage, I have successfully uploaded all the attachments that are needed for this system. Once that is done, I can then move to the last tab, which is the submission tab, and click the resubmit button. Only once I resubmit is the data available for the internal Mopani team to process your registration. Once you resubmit, you'll see a message saying you have successfully submitted and a notification has been sent to your email. Once you see an email like the one in the screenshot below, then you know that you have successfully completed your registration process. Thank you for joining me, and all the best with your registration.